Signs that mineral buildup is causing a slow flush rather than a physical blockage are often subtle but consistent and predictable. When mineral deposits are the culprit, you will usually see water still draining rather than pooling and stopping, with only a weak swirling motion during the flush. That weak swirl means the rim jets are restricted, so the bowl does not get the forceful vortex needed to clear waste. Delayed cascade is another hallmark where water rises and then slowly overflows the bowl rim instead of a brisk, immediate drop. This occurs because mineral films reduce flow velocity through the trap and rim channels. Look closely at the rim jets and at the small holes under the bowl lip and jet openings, visible white or brown crusts, flaking scale, or crystalline buildup indicate hard water deposits blocking passageways. Check the siphon jet at the bottom of the bowl by shining a light into the bowl during a gentle flush. A diminished jet stream or an off-center stream points to partial obstruction by scale. For diagnosis, you can use a stiff plastic dental pick or a small brush to scrape accessible jets, then run a test flush to compare before and after performance. For chemical cleaning, use a diluted acid-based descaler following label instructions while ensuring adequate ventilation and personal protective equipment, and never mix chemicals. Common mistakes include assuming plunging or snaking will fix the issue. That wastes time because mechanical blockage tools cannot clear mineral crust inside narrow rim channels. So instead, inspect and descale the jets and use targeted scraping and a descaler. Another mistake is overusing concentrated acids or leaving them in the bowl too long. That can pit glazed surfaces and damage seals, so follow dilution and dwell times exactly and rinse thoroughly after treatment. A third problem is ignoring the supply side when hard water is severe. If you only treat the bowl, you will get rapid recurrence. So consider adding a point of entry or point of use water treatment, or schedule periodic maintenance every few months based on local water hardness. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors. By letting us list project needs and search for professionals near us, and our discussion community helps homeowners and contractors share experiences and practical tips about diagnosing hard water issues. We also help contractors find work by allowing them to showcase services and engage directly with homeowners and peers in our forums.